Here's another thing I'd like to show you about vacuuming. You'll notice I held on to the roll or the cable the entire time. As I was going farther and farther away, I would let one of these drop. I do that so I'm not tangling up the cord and also to keep it clean. This is how you roll it up. Another trade secret. So many times I've seen cleaners say, I've only worked with a backpack vacuum that has a battery. My recommendation is if you have a cord, hold it in your hand, and then when you roll it back up, I'm turning it and putting it to minimize the amount of tangles you're going to see in this. So let's walk over here. I'm going to go ahead and unplug it. Now let me show you, if I just start rolling it up like this, it's going to tangle up here. It's not going to quite roll up nicely. So if I do a little turn and pull it up, then it gives me those nice big circles we're looking for. See, there you go. See, the tangles are coming out. There you go. Perfect. And then this, I wrap it right around and I just loop it. Ready to go. No tangles in this. Keep your cords in great shape. Allow you to be organized when you're cleaning, when you're vacuuming. Now I'm going to unroll this and show you a smaller office. Let's go to that one next. Okay. So now, simply opening up this, grabbing this, and I can just plug this in and start off from a nice clean start. You may have noticed this when I was vacuuming over the other section and notice it here. You'll see me from time to time go like this with my foot. What I'm doing there is I'm checking to see if it's debris or paint or a permanent stain. A lot of times when you're vacuuming, you notice a little spot. Sometimes it can be paint or something that's permanent. And that little check allows me to determine whether it's a permanent or something that can come up. That's what I'm doing there. All done. See you later. Couple of notes from the vacuuming video. You'll notice that I did move garbage receptacles and chairs out of the way when I was vacuuming. Once you're done vacuuming, you're going to want to make sure you return those into the same and or better position. So, for example, the trash, I moved exactly where it was left. That recycle bin, I moved it, vacuumed underneath it, put it back where it was. In this chair, I'm neatly putting it back at the desk. The reason I do that, I want it to present well. This is similar to the garbage can video. Check that out if you haven't. The whole thing is you clean it, disinfect it, you make sure that it's presentable, okay? So it's presenting well now. She's gonna be able to walk into her office and see she was taken care of, and we thought about her. Organizing the chair nicely. This one's ready too as a backup chair, neatly in the corner here. The worst thing to walk into, something like this, where it doesn't even look like you took any care. But ES&W Cleaning, we care. We service the Seattle-Tacoma area. Check us out. If there's anything more you would like to learn as a cleaner, drop it in the comments.